Hi everyone, thank you for watching Certified Supplier Initiative Ningbo Factory Tour. My name is Alex and I will be your host today. Certified Supplier Initiative was launched by China Toy and Juvenile Product Association, and we evaluate toy and baby products based on 5 criteria: product safety, safety assurance, specified standards, self-export capability, and social responsibility to help you find the most reliable partner in China. So today we are here in Ningbo. Ningbo is a hub, famous hub for toy and baby products in China. It's one of the major production centers basically. And to give you a deeper understanding of Certified Supplier, we're going to visit Hape Holding AG and see how they operate. So let's follow me and you will see the inside of this factory. Hape Holding AG, a leader in design and manufacturing high-quality educational toys and products made from sustainable materials, was established in Germany back in 1986 by founder and CEO Peter Hanstein. 1986 is almost like 35 years of experience in the industry. Hape produced the highest standard of developmental educational toys for children from 0 to 6 years old. Hape owns factories globally, including China, Germany, Romania, Latvia, etc. Their toys are sold in over 100 countries and regions. I'm sure your country has them too. Confronting with global economic downward pressure in 2020 because of the COVID, Hape has still achieved a 12% annual growth. That's really amazing actually. In 1995, Hape factory in Ningbo city in China was established, covering the area of 58,600 square meters. It's located only 3 kilometers from Beilun port, the world's largest port actually, and it is benefiting the business obviously. Hape has obtained a lot of international certifications, including ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, ICTI, BSCI, FCCA, SOP, GMP, and many more. So in a moment you're going to see all these certificates. We're going to go inside this factory. We'll go through all the stages of production, and stay put so you can, be amazed how they make these quality products. Originating as a toy manufacturer based on wood, Hape applies high quality wood on their products. As you can see in their material warehouse, I'm surrounded by a lot of materials here which are imported from different countries. These materials include, for example, German beech, Russian plywood, Thai rubber wood, Nordic pine, and they have this very important certification, which is FSC certificate, forest certification, which is very important in the industry. So it's basically wood from responsible sources. Also, we need to mention that apart from wood, Hape is seeking for eco-friendly materials such as bamboo, and they're looking at green PE, for example, and plant-based plastic. Alright, now we are coming to the manufacturing center of Hape, where you will see how the toy and baby products are being made on the production line. Before we go any further, let me repeat this very important part. Standard production process and strict quality management system are one of the most important criteria, evaluation criteria for the certified suppliers, including Hape. So follow me and you will see this on the production line. Okay, now we are standing very close to a real unique technology here Hape has. So this technology on the wall, you can see, it's called water wall dust collector. As you can see, there are workers operating and working with the little wood blocks. And of course, there's dust coming out of the wood blocks here. And to make this environment more safe for the workers, they have this technology. So what this does is basically sucks in the vacuums, the dust coming out of these wooden pieces, so it makes it easy for the workers to breathe, a cleaner air. And then number two thing I want to mention is Hape actually developed this technology and made it more efficient. All right, now we are in IKEA workshop of Hape. As you can see here, this workshop is operated by this very advanced technology. The machine is, behind me. You can see there is a, a really advanced machine operated by these employees. What's being produced, you see here, is called Ramschal brackets for IKEA. And as I was told, the daily capacity is 9,000 pieces for this product. Basically, you can see all the employees have their instructions attached on the line so that they don't make any mistakes, obviously. So it proves that Hape follows basically all the guidelines and establish tight control over the production lines. Okay, now we are standing in a different workshop of Hape. As you can see in my behind here, there is a 4-color printer being operated by these workers. What does 4-color means? It basically it's got more colors and the product needs to go through different stages. For example, let me demonstrate. This product here is missing some colors, as you can see here. It means that it has to go through some stages. But the plate on my right here, it's got more colors. For example, purple. See? It went through many more stages than this one. So as you can see, Hape uses different technology for different products, and it is very well advanced, and these employees are very well trained. All right, now as you can see, we are standing in one of the workshops of Hape, and there are different workshops for different purposes. And this machine here, as you can see in my behind, this is a flatbed color printing machine made in Belgium. Like I was explained, Hape has different color printers, for example, screen print, and then there is another 4-color print. This is a flatbed print. Using this technology, Hape produce between 300,000 and 400,000 puzzles each year for their own brand, let alone other brands. So basically, as you can see, they use the most technology to produce their products. Apart from the sustainability development, Hape always cares about the growth of the next generation. So in this testing lab, you can see a lot of testing equipment, starting from physical tests here. On the top, you can see all these testing instructions and explanations. Template, e-test, torque test, tension, compression, impact test, flexibility, sharp point, etc. So here you can see the aging test as well. So they see how the products, adapt to the different stages of, being played by the kids. And in here, most of the very important ones actually for different markets, you can see EN71 stability test, ASTM F936 stability test, and also ISO 8124 stability test. And right next to it, we can see some chemical tests being carried out here on this station. So I need to mention also Hape's QA center. You can see many toys like undergoing all these testing stages. Why? Because Hape's testing lab is actually more stringent than the global testing requirements. Alright, now we are in the showroom of Hape. Before we go any further, let me tell you this very important thing. Certified suppliers attach great importance to product quality and functionality and aim at bringing out superior products at competitive prices to meet the diversified needs of international customers. All products comply with international safety standards such as EN 71, ASTM F963, etc. Here in Hape's brand showroom, displaying all kinds of products, toys. We would like to go through with the toy one by one by now inviting one of their staff. I would like to, invite her here to the screen. So hello. Your name is Echo,
yeah.
And she's the brand category manager for this line. So she's going to give us a little introduction about the feature products.
Okay, welcome you to our Hape Magic Touch Award. Integrated plastic, wood and technology together, we have these innovative lines. And just like your smartphones, just simply touch on the wood surface. You can play all the toy instruments like piano and drum. See? Drum and our guitar. Very cool.
Yeah, indeed.
And
great technology.
Yes, thanks to the knowledge, we can bring music enlightenment to baby band.
All right, thank you very much for this introduction. So these products are the featured products and are installed in different markets, including China, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now we are in one of the most important parts of our presentation about Hape. So what I'm holding here right now, let me start with this. A lot of test reports from different markets, basically European countries and USA, for the products of Hape. It means that they went through the testing and they qualify and apply the standards and demands of the different markets, basically. And what you see here is a wall of certificates, okay? As President Peter put it, it's like through 26 years, they collected so many certificates that this is only 10% maybe. So let me, if you can come closer here, I'm going to talk about a couple of them, very important. For example, this one, FSC, it proves in the industry basically the wood is imported from the responsible companies. And then next one we have here ISO 14001, very important, and ISO 9001, also very important. And here we got ICTI for social responsibility, and very important certificates as well. This is global security verification from the US. So if you are familiar with the industry, you should be familiar with the certificates as well. These certificates only proves the reliability and the quality, the product quality of Hape, basically. So the international customers, they should be worry-free when they are sourcing the products of Hape. Certified Supplier Hape controls its product quality in line with international quality management system so that overseas buyers can be worry-free when sourcing their products. They also invest heavily in design, development and innovation to create trend-leading products with attractive and creative functions. We are here right now in this massive office. On my right you can see the designing department. The design department consists of designers coming from 10 countries. They make up the international design team. As we move forward, on my right hand side we're going to see this development team. The development team's major job here is to connect different departments, receive feedbacks, and then they deliver them to different departments again. On my left hand side you can see the technology department. So technology department's main job is to actually turn the designs into actual products. So I want to also note that currently there are more than 30 Hape companies globally with thousands of employees. Designers, like I mentioned, coming from more than 10 countries right now. So in Hape, there are 100 senior employees with 10 years experience and 20 years experience. In order to recognize and to repay their hard work, President Peter regularly holds thank you meetings and distribute shares and rewards to each employee with 10-year experience, and award certificates of honor, commemorative gold banknotes, and 10,000 yuan rewards to employees with 20-year experience. Thank you very much, Mr. Hanstein. Really appreciate you taking the time and giving us this opportunity to go around the factory. We had a great pleasure visiting the showrooms and the production line. So taking this opportunity, I would like to ask you a couple of questions, please.
Feel free.
Thank you. So first of all, let me start with this question. What is, from wooden toys to education toys, what is the Hape's opinion on children's education?
Children education since 36 years means a lot for us. We start with the school supply, kindergarten and daycares in Germany. There is where I'm rooted and where I'm coming from. And how to develop children. This is the original before we develop product. And then we have a lot of play tests. We have a lot of engagement with kindergartens and schools. Right. So for us, helping children on their journey of developing is a core element for any product what we develop.
All right, thank you very much. And our next question is going to be, can you tell us a little bit about company's culture? What is Hape's company culture?
We believe it's all about people, and we believe in globalization. Right now the world doesn't look like, but I'm very proud. I'm being here for 25 years in China, and the exchange of culture make this company what it is. When you ask me what is the company culture, it's the diversification of different people. Everybody can bring something to the table and we all can eat together. Right. This is about a company culture.
Okay, thank you so much. And next question is also like a very important one. I know the audience will be interested. How do you deliver the products, for example, baby products, to the end customer safely?
Safely, actually, historically, is not a big challenge. The reason is we have surely our QC and QA, and we make drop tests, and we have an engagement when we talk about packaging. So first we have to do safe product. This starts with, we pack and handle with care. It's the second thing. This year we have a strong disruption with containers and everything around the world. It's very challenging, but we have different channels. So we have our own stores, we have wholesale departments all over the world. And yeah, where I take a big part is the e-commerce, and e-commerce have different requirement of packaging than retail or other channels. So we address our packaging and our caregiving to the customer we have.
All right, thank you very much. And this last but not least, very important question. Where do you see Hape in 5 years' time, for example? What is the future plan for you?
Wow, that's a good question. Now I need to take my crystal ball and look inside. With the COVID around these days and with the situation around the world of deglobalization. So I deeply work as hard as I can and as smart as I can, that for me, the China market in the future is the core market. Without letting any other market down, we will work as close as we can and as successful. But for me, as a company, being here located in China, my dream is in 5 years from now, 50% of our business have to come out of the China market. So we'd like to be a leading toy brand in China and very meaningful all over the world.
All right, thank you very much, sir. I'm sure you will achieve this plan very soon. So we're also looking forward to visiting you next time. Before we close this video, I'd like to turn to the audience and say, if you would like to get in touch with Hape, you can directly contact them, or alternatively, you can get in touch with China Toy and Juvenile Product Association. We will put you in contact. Thank you very much for following this video, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.
All the best. Stay safe.